2022 is in the books. Quite a year for real estate, wasn't it? Real estate in 2022 was a lot different than real estate in the years or in the decade before. Vanesa, you're the real estate expert here at PerFinEx. How did you experience real estate in 2022? Did you join us at the right time?
I did, definitely, I did. I mean, the prices went up if you compare to the other years, that's for sure. But right now we have, like, the prices are softening up a little bit because also of the high interest rate. My opinion is that the market, the real estate market, stayed pretty stable and all that. I mean, we went through Corona. Everyone thought Corona is here, the value is going to go down from properties. It was not the case, right? So everything remained pretty stable during that time. Even the demand for housing continues to increase. So the search, according to the Bund, according to the government, Germany requires a minimum of 400,000 houses per year, right? And we were able to serve only approximately about 248,000, which is still not a lot. And this tells you that there is so much potential on the existing real estate market in Germany. There are also many surveys that have been done. So there's actually a recent survey from the Real Estate Association from Germany. And it came out that, I think it was about 157 companies, real estate companies participated in that survey. But it came out that 30% of the new construction have been canceled. Mm-hmm. And this shows you how much pressure is on the existing real estate market. So, I mean, the prices went up for renovations, for material costs, and of course, these constructions are just blank, lying there, doing nothing because they had to be canceled, right? And it's sad, but at the other hand, there is so much potential on the existing market, that's for sure. And even again, if you compare it to other countries as well, like UK, France, Switzerland, Austria, we still have some air to go up in the prices, right? We still have some gaps. So we're going to talk about this later, about the bubble and everything, but there's still some gap and there's still many opportunities to invest here in Germany. There are still great opportunities, and demand for rental space for us investors is plays an important role, which means that demand of renting increased from the second quarter to the third quarter this year by 48%. By 48, this
incredible,
it's a huge number, and even the rent itself increased by 3.4%. So. And I believe, it's not only me, there are also other real estate economics, I believe also the rents are gonna increase over time drastically.
They have to. You mentioned this statistic with the 400,000, and this is pretty legit because it's a number from the government. Exactly. And if you actually look at it, over the last couple of years, like over the last 20 years, we didn't even reach it once. Mm-hmm. I think if I remembered correctly, we reached it like one time 300,000. All the other years were just between 200 and 250,000. There's right now, there's millions of flats missing, and that's why rents have to increase.
It has to. They have to build more. I mean, there's this huge pressure on this market, and it has to change something. And even if they say, oh, the real estate is it's cheaper right now. Not really. Like, if you look at the analytics, it went down on 1%. That's not a lot, right? But still, you can get great deals nowadays. So due to the high inflation and the high interest rate, there are great deals on this market. But yeah, it tells you just how exciting, but also how important it is to keep in mind to invest into real estate, because it's always going to grow up in value. Always, always.